guys, and welcome back to another strict STEM education video. Today we're going to be doing a house tour. Let's get right into it.
Shawty's so bad, hella swag, she got all these bitches mad. See the type of girl a nigga wish she had. See the type that if you get it, you could brag. Little shawty got her own and I like that. Hit the mall, she ain't worried about the price tag. She got all these niggas out here tryna wipe that. And the little nigga tryna pipe that. She get whatever she want. She get that new Saint Laurent. I can put that money on her arm, and I can get the rest with the charm. I found you, girl, I like being around you.
Hey guys, here at STRICX, we focus on STEM education. Science, technology, engineering, and math. The four core pillars to any proper curriculum. Now, let's go inside and take a house tour. As you walk into 9 Auer Court, you'll see suites A and B. STRICX is located at suite A. Let's go inside. Over here is our waiting area, where parents can wait for their children to finish their education. This frosted door with a keypad outside allows for students to have a safe working environment and not worry about any external pressures or environment from outside. And parents have the opportunity to wait outside, watch some STRICX YouTube channel videos until their child finishes their education. Let's go into it. Over here is our biggest and best classroom yet. We have our mounted projector over here, which projects directly onto our massive whiteboard. On this whiteboard, students can come, accentuate their learning, and also create any kind of drawings that they want based on what they're learning in class. Truly a place where we can let those creative juices flow. Here at STRICX STEM Education, we provide custom kits for each of our students. These kits come with everything needed to perform all 24 experiments in our 24-week module system. These private and custom kits are given to each student to take home and perform the same experiments at their house. A one-of-a-kind experience here at STRICX STEM Education. Next, let's take you into our second classroom. This is meant for our younger students and a more one-on-one learning environment. It's smaller, but also allows our teachers to have a one-on-one experience with as many students as possible. Again, we have a projector that projects onto our whiteboard and allows us to teach using a hands-on experience. In this classroom, we also have makeup classes. If your student ever misses a day, our teachers have a one-on-one experience with showing them how to make up that information. Now let's go into our innovation intensive. An innovation intensive is a unique feature only for the STRICX STEM education program. This 5 to 10 minutes allows for students to learn more about their idea of choice, grow their ideas, and come up with ways of building it. They can draw out their ideas, build it using Lego blocks, or get those creative juices flowing by solving a few puzzles. Let's get right into it. Over here is our innovation intensive or innovators lounge. We have comfortable chairs, Legos, posters, puzzles, and everything a student might need to really get them involved and dedicated to their learning environment. If they feel burnt out, they can come in here for 5 minutes and really grow their understanding of the knowledge and take some time to reflect on their thinking. Now let's go into our makerspace, also known as the Foundry. Over here is where both students and staff have the opportunity of building the creations that they come up with using our custom 3D printers and CAD design models. Let's go inside. Over here in the Foundry, we've created some crazy innovations, like this hammer robot created by one of our students. Over here is our 3D printing space, followed by our CAD design table and creation table. We call this our maker space. If any student has an idea that they want to take to the next level, they can do this here. With the custom and expert guidance of our teachers, they can learn how to take that idea into a full-fledged project. Learn how to create it on CAD, print it using our 3D printers, and then custom design it using Arduino and custom wires. Over here is where we really grow our innovative learning from just a basic curriculum and teaching platform to something beyond that. Something where students can learn and grow in their own environment and own field. Now let's come in to where the real magic happens. And no, I'm not talking about the bathroom. But we will check that out. Here, stand-in bathroom for all of our students to use inside the facility. Over here, we have our staff lounge, where our staff can take a little break, or we have a little treat for any students who do a really good job in their quiz. We have snacks over here, microwaves, and just a place for staff to relax and chill before the next class happens. Let's go where the real magic happens. This is the private office where any staff, student, or child can come in for a free demonstration. Over here, we already have pulled up our STRICX STEM education free demo, as well as any contacts that the parents might need to take their learning to the next level. Over here, at STRICX, we focus on one thing and one thing alone: nurturing young innovators worldwide. And help us do this by joining STRICX STEM education and letting us help your child take their idea to the next level. And this can start at any age. For me, it was at the age of 14 years old when I got my first patent to start my first company. Now, nearly 5 years later, at 19 years old, I have over 3 businesses, 10,000 students worldwide, and over 12 teaching staff. Learning can start at any age, but entrepreneurship can start even younger than that. And that's why we encourage all students to come in and have a free demo in Auer Court. Get your student to the next level and have them learn at STRICX STEM education. Thank you guys for tuning in to another STRICX free demo walkthrough. Until next time.